Okay guys, let me run through this. So this is the piece that I have chopped here. I've mounted these two bearings with this bolt in it. As you can see, this bolt isn't all the way through because it's not a perfect size, but that swings beautifully. So these are bits of 2x4, and this one's chopped in half and kind of spaced out. And there's a bolt in there and it's countersunk in. That bolt goes through the rack, bolts on there so it can easily come off. A little fly bolt would be perfect there. These are just bits of wood to stop this moving side to side. There's a little bit of play, but it's not too bad. This is what it looks like from a distance. I will set up fully now. Okay, gonna max this out a little bit. So overall, pretty slick. This needs a metal rod and that will work just fine. And then we need something, whoa, if we can see in here, just to hold this whole thing forward a wee bit so it's easier to get in and out. Just a sort of rubber stopper in there. But anyway, that's my design for leg extension, sort of hamstring kickback. Okay, added a few upgrades to it. So let's start here. This is just one of these kind of flooring mats. You'll recognize that. And it's just cut around and nailed down kind of neatly around. Just add a bit of softness, padding, etc. on there. Then I removed the wood and put in a bolt, just a really, really long bolt. And on this side, we got a bolt and a washer. So bolt and washer on the other side. I had to chop this pad a little bit short. And on the back here, I've just got a wee stopper. That needs to become a rubber stopper. But apart from that, that's us finished. And the bolt at the back, this washer is scratching up my rack. That would be better with a wing nut, and this would be better with a bigger size washer on there. But apart from that, maybe some caps on the top here. But apart from that, that is the leg extension hamstring curl finished and completed.